In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be analyzing the price of Bitcoin to see where price is going essentially, and pretty much seeing if Bitcoin has reached a really strong supply zone. And we're going to be talking about if price can break past that. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Bitcoin, please do your own research as not a financial advisor. So as you can see here on CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin is currently down 0.17% at the time of recording. You can see here that pretty much on the daily chart, Bitcoin has pretty much been really choppy on the daily. We've pretty much not had any major movement. We did have this huge pump that did occur later on the day, but during the day we just pretty much been making a load of accumulation schematics, and we come back down, pretty much retesting it, has another accumulation, which therefore led towards the initial rise. But we will go into a bit more in-depth analysis on TradingView now. So yeah, let's go over to base. So pretty much you can see here that it looks like let me just go into the 4 hours, so yeah, to have a bit more in depth. So pretty much you can see here that there is a strong supply area roughly around this area. Let's just put around about the area, so you can see that's a very strong supply area. And what can be said about this supply area? Let me just change this to supplier. So pretty much you can see here that this is a strong supply area. If we drop into like the 2 hour or even the 1 hour, what can we see? You can see that price has yet to break structure initially. So this was pretty much the lower high that caused pretty much the initial pump towards upside. And so far price is pretty much respecting it essentially. You can pretty much see here that there is liquidity base below here. I feel like price will most definitely come back down and pretty much liquidate this area. The main reason for this is that you can see here liquidity. I feel like price will induce all of this area, probably even making another accumulation schematic on the 1 hour before heading up towards the highs of around 45 and roughly even 50k. Essentially we could possibly reach 50k, you never know. But so far, yeah, you can see here that there is a little bit of liquidity based upon there. And then even if we drop into like the 30-minute time frame, what can be said? You can let me do 15-minute actually. So yeah, 15-minute, you can possibly see that there was pretty much liquidity building upon this, and pretty much price did to pierce through it, pretty much liquidated all of this area. I feel like this could have pretty much the same reaction from this. You can see we did have the initial rise towards upside. Price will pierce through all of this, and then from then onwards we should have another leg towards upside. But even if we look into this supply area, like roughly what actually occurred, you can see here that there was a little bit of a distribution schematic that did play out. You can see here we've been pretty much having that, and then we did have the initial breaking structure, and we reached the retest of this pretty much this supply area, and then from then onwards you could have had a nice little trade within this. Even if you drop into 3 minutes, you could possibly see this. Yeah, so pretty much you can see here that it was pretty much a distribution schematic even played out, and possibly you could have really got a really good sell opportunity roughly around here, probably if stop loss just above this, depending on the broker that you use. So yeah, it just depends. And so as of right now, what can be said, we're gonna have to wait and see what price does. You can see that there is pretty much huge rejection from this, shows that there is liquidity, and I feel like price will most definitely break past this. And the main reason for this is that price likes liquidity, and wherever liquidity is, price is going to target. And there is liquidity based above this area, and then there is a strong supply area where I feel like price could tap into. So yeah, so far I think Bitcoin will roughly become bullish again, possibly near off the 46 to the 45k region, but till then we're gonna have to keep waiting. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs, and peace.